Imagine downloading a 50 GB 8K movie in just a few seconds. No buffering, no waiting. All thanks to new development by Chinese scientists. That sci-fi future might be closer than we think. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech news. The researchers from Peking University and the City University of Hong Kong have taken a tech jump to unveil the world's first all-frequency 6G chip, a tiny piece of technology that could deliver internet speeds over 100 Gbps and function seamlessly across the entire wireless spectrum. First reported in Nature, this chip is more than just fast, it's potentially revolutionary, and unlike current systems that rely on fragmented frequency bands like 5G hovering around 3 GHz and satellites using up to 30 GHz, this new 6G chip handles everything, including ultra-high frequencies nearing 100 GHz all by itself. That means a single chip could serve remote villages, urban areas, and it can even enable high-tech applications like holographic surgery, all without switching systems. Still seems like out of this world. Those were the only pros, because students in rural communities can also access high-quality educational content without interruption. Even remote diagnosis and robotic surgeries could be carried out. Not just that, but precision farming and AI-powered monitoring in agriculture could thrive too. But it would take massive infrastructure and investment to make it work in the whole world. China's 6G chip isn't just a tech milestone, it's a glimpse of what the future is gonna look like. What do you think about this? Tell us in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon for more tech updates.